And so why is this important? And this is what I like to put in terms of context. All it takes is another hit, another ding on the upright or on the brace to cause something traumatic and catastrophic. As you're, swapping out that component, it's just a matter of time before that damaged component that you just replaced gets impacted once again. And what you have before you is an example of a rack repair solution. Compare that to what you're going to have on the replacement side. We're looking at a 4x difference in cycle time, whether it's a front column or front and back, guaranteed for life. So you don't have to worry about that portion of the upright ever getting damaged again. It's fairly clear that if you're going to have a damaged brace, it goes without question that the cost of replacing or fixing that one brace is considerably less than having to swap out an upright.